A best outdoor griddle is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and home chefs who want versatility and convenience in their cooking. Whether you're hosting backyard barbecues, camping in the wilderness, or simply enjoying outdoor cooking, a quality outdoor griddle opens up a world of culinary possibilities. In this video, we're excited to introduce you to the top 5 outdoor griddles that will transform your outdoor cooking experience. Make sure to check the video description below for additional information and click the links to easily purchase the products you love. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's find your perfect match. Product number 1. Pit Boss 11004 5-burner with folding shelves griddle. With a whopping 753 square inches of cooking surface, this grill is a game changer for backyard feasts. Boasting 62,000 BTUs from 5 stainless steel gas burners, it's a culinary force to be reckoned with. The 4.5mm thick steel griddle surface ensures even heating and durability, perfect for everything from morning pancakes to evening stir-fry. Starting it up is a breeze with the easy push and turn ignition, powered by propane gas. What sets this griddle apart are its convenient features. Foldable legs and side shelves make it incredibly portable, while also doubling as a locking griddle cover between cooks. The as-access side grease tray simplifies cleanup, and there's even a bottom shelf for storage. Crafted with heavy-duty steel construction and locking caster swivel wheels, the Pit Boss 11004 delivers both performance and convenience for your outdoor cooking adventures. It's time to elevate your grilling game with this impressive griddle. Product number 2. Traeger Grill's Flatrock Flat Top Griddle. This propane-powered grill takes your culinary adventures to new heights, opening up a world of flavor possibilities. True zone temperature control, offering 3 distinct, insulated cooking zones for precise temperature control across the entire cooking surface. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or griddling, this grill has you covered. With its innovative triple U burner design, you get 2x the burner to cooktop coverage compared to standard patio griddles, ensuring even cooking everywhere. Flame lock construction keeps the heat right where it should be, resulting in more consistent cooks while using less propane. The fuel gauge keeps you informed about gas levels when the grill is powered on. Plus, Traeger's pop and lock accessories allow you to set up your grill exactly the way you want. Cleanup is a breeze with a grease trap conveniently located in the front left, making it easy to scrape away residue. And for added convenience, 2 large fold-down shelves on each side provide essential space for your cooking needs. Product number 3. Blackstone 36-inch gas griddle. It's incredibly easy to use and assemble. This griddle features a battery-powered push-button ignition. With a simple push, your griddle is ready to go, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the outdoors. Embrace restaurant-style cooking with a spacious 720 square inches of flat-top grilling. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this griddle can handle it all. It even includes convenient bottom and side shelves for food storage and prep. Achieve precision cooking with 4 independently controlled 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners, totaling 60,000 BTUs. You have full control over heat zones from low to high, offering versatile cooking options. Plus, it runs on propane, compatible with a standard 20 pounds tank, neatly stored under the left side shelf. Built to last, this Blackstone grill boasts a powder-coated black steel frame, stainless steel burners, and a thick cold rolled steel cooktop. Cleaning up after your culinary adventures is a breeze, making this griddle a durable and long-lasting outdoor cooking companion. Product number 4. Cuisinart CGG 999 30-inch round flat top surface 360 degrees XL griddle. This extraordinary griddle is engineered for exceptional heat control. With 3 independently controlled burners, you can create hot and cold zones across the cooking surface, allowing you to master various cooking techniques simultaneously. One standout feature is the oversized 360-degree grease pan. It effortlessly channels grease towards the removable grease cup, making grease management a breeze, ensuring your cooking stays mess-free. Crafted with a durable stainless steel lid equipped with a vent, this griddle transforms into a versatile cooking station. From smoking and steaming to baking and roasting, It adapts to your every culinary whim. But that's not all. Two convenient fold-away prep tables are perfect for prepping your ingredients right before they sizzle on the griddle. Plus, there's a paper towel holder tucked under one of the side tables for added convenience. With a generous 30 flat-top griddle surface, you have the canvas to create breakfast, lunch, and dinner masterpieces wherever your outdoor adventures take you. Product number 5. Cuisinart CGG0036 36 4-burner gas griddle. With a generous cooking space of 760 square inches, this griddle is ready to serve up delicious meals for your family and friends. Its cold-rolled steel cooking surface ensures even heat distribution, making it perfect for cooking a variety of dishes. One of the standout features of this griddle is its dual grease management system. You'll find two front grease cups that make it incredibly easy to manage and remove grease from the cooking area. Boasting a cooking power of 60,000 BTUs, thanks to 4 independently controlled burners providing 15,000 BTUs each, you'll have precise control over your cooking temperatures. When it's time to pack up and head home or to your next outdoor adventure, the Cuisinart CGG0036 has you covered. Its folding design allows for compact storage and easy transport. Say goodbye to bulky outdoor cooking equipment and hello to convenience. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Cuisinart CGG0036, the versatile and powerful 4-burner gas griddle that's perfect for backyard gatherings, camping trips, and more. Enjoy delicious meals with ease and style. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of shopping. Make sure to check the video description for any additional resources and links to purchase your favorite products. Stay tuned for more expert reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest. Until next time, happy shopping and may you always find your perfect match.